Welcome to Wheel Check Review. The 2026 Kenworth W700 Motorhome is a masterpiece of engineering, combining the rugged performance of a heavy-duty truck with the luxury and comfort of a premium RV. From the very first glance, its bold, aerodynamic design commands attention, with a sleek front grille, modern LED lighting, and a polished finish that reflects its high-end build quality. Under the hood, the W700 is powered by a high-torque diesel engine designed for both power and efficiency, ensuring you can tackle long-distance road trips or challenging terrains with ease. Inside, the motorhome transforms into a world of luxury. Step into the spacious interior, and you're greeted with premium leather seating, a full-size kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, and a dining area that rivals a high-end apartment. The layout has been carefully planned to maximize both comfort and usability, featuring a cozy lounge space, a large entertainment system, and panoramic windows that bring in plenty of natural light. For overnight stays, the W700 offers a plush bedroom with a queen-sized bed, ample storage, and climate control for all-season comfort. Driving the W700 is just as impressive as living in it. The cab offers advanced digital displays, ergonomic controls, and driver assist technologies like lane monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. The suspension system has been tuned for a smooth ride, even on uneven roads, making long drives far less tiring. What truly sets the 2026 Kenworth W700 Motorhome apart is its balance between durability and luxury. It's built on a solid truck chassis that's made to last, yet it pampers its passengers with every imaginable comfort. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a cross-country adventure, or even full-time living, the W700 delivers the freedom of the open road without compromising on style, safety, or performance. This is more than a motorhome. It's a rolling home built for the modern traveler. Enjoy your journey and subscribe and click on the bell icon.